Your bathroom mirror often tells a story of late nights and early mornings that you would rather not see. When you start noticing those tiny textures and lines, the urge to find a quick fix is incredibly strong. This brings us to the Seranova Micro Infusion System, a device that has been making some noise in the beauty world lately. It promises a visible transformation in about 2 weeks. That is a very bold claim for an at-home kit. Most of us are used to waiting months for a new serum to show any signs of working. This system uses a technique that mimics professional microneedling. It creates tiny controlled openings in the skin's surface. These are called microchannels. Think of them as tiny pathways. These pathways allow your skincare products to bypass the tough outer layer of your skin. Usually, your skin acts as a shield to keep the world out. That is its job. But that shield also stops your expensive serums from getting where they need to go. By creating these microscopic entries, the active ingredients can get much deeper. This is why the concept is so popular in high-end clinics. It helps stimulate collagen and improves the overall texture of your face. But there is a catch that we need to talk about. Professional devices used by doctors are much more powerful than anything you can buy for home use. They have to be for safety reasons. You do not want a medical-grade needle in the hands of someone who has not been trained. This means your results at home might be more subtle. They might take longer to appear than the marketing suggests. The company highlights endorsements from clinicians and points to high user ratings. They also offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. These are usually signs of a legitimate company. It shows they are confident in the product they are shipping to your door. However, every face is different. What works for a reviewer online might not work the same way for you. Consistency is the most important factor with any beauty tool. You cannot use it once and expect to look 10 years younger overnight. You also have to consider your specific skin type. If you struggle with extreme sensitivity or active breakouts, you should be very careful. Poking the skin can sometimes cause more irritation if you are not prepared. It is always a smart move to talk to a skin professional before you start a new treatment like this. The Seranova system is a real product in a growing market. It is not a scam in the sense of a fake listing, but the real value comes down to your personal goals and your budget. It is a significant investment for your vanity cabinet. Make sure you are buying it for the right reasons and not just because an ad looked convincing. Do your own deep dive into the reviews and check that return policy one more time. Skincare is a long-term commitment, and there are rarely any true shortcuts to a perfect glow.